Okay, hi again, Brooke. This time in this recording, I will try to answer your question in the same page again. Oh, okay, so why is it moving? Okay, it should not be moving. Yeah, okay, I think we're good. So, lab manual, page 105. This time is question 3. Okay, so here we can try the longer way, which is distribute x times x is x squared, x times negative 2i, that will be x times 2i, and then 2i times x, or x times 2i, plus 4i squared. 2 times 2 is 4, well actually negative 4i squared, so I squared is negative 1, and then negative 4i squared will become positive 4, and then those two guys will simplify, so then we're going to end up x squared plus 4. That's one way of thinking it. Or we can remember this: a plus bi times a minus bi. So if we're multiplying the complex number with its conjugate means that we keep the real parts as is, but the complex parts is changing the sign. We are ending up a squared plus b squared. So by eliminating the steps, we can jump into, since a is 1 here and b is 2, right? A is not 1, sorry, a is x. A is x and b is 2. So one might ask this question: why are we naming b 2 but not negative 2? It doesn't matter, because you're going to take the b squared. So even if you think b as a negative 2 squared is 4, right? So then you're going to end up with x squared plus 4 by eliminating those two steps. So this is that. Now, part B, the story is different. Part B has more important, because we're going to be using part B when we are going from irreducible factors to complex coefficients in the polynomials. All right, okay, so we're going to apply the same thing again. Nothing is going to differ. So this guy will be distributed with this guy. So let's do the red portion. X times x will be x squared minus x times 3 minus 2i. That's one portion. And then we're going to distribute this two. So x times 3 plus 2i. Be careful, this is plus, right? And then negative times negative is positive, right? 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i. All right, we have this multicolor mess. How are we going to solve that? Let's move like this. Okay, another distribution. So that will be x squared minus 3x plus 2xi. Okay, minus 3x again. Okay, so minus 2xi. So this is that portion. All right. And then from here, remember what's happening there. It's a complex number multiplied with its complex conjugate. So for this portion, I can say that a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So it will be a squared plus b squared, which will be equal to 9 plus 4. That will be 13. I can jump in there, right? Because I'm multiplying the complex number with its conjugate. Just 1 second. I am giving to a pause here. I'm checking thing with the, square plus 4. Okay. So, continue. This one and that one will cancel. I will need to add this ones, and I'm gonna end up with that. Okay, Again, I'm emphasizing part B is more important because it is related to when you factor polynomials completely and writing linear factors with complex coefficients. You will be seeing this concept again. It's too much math jargon here, but I hope again it helps, and it will ease your frustration. All right, best of luck. See you. Bye.